Linda, don't you feel like a superhero? I don't want to just have a regular ring boy and flower girl at the wedding.
We want them to feel super special, so we're gonna make these super amazing superpower capes.
These are gonna make them superheroes. This is something they can wear after the actual wedding ceremony, at the reception, because we want to reward them with something fun. And all kids, including myself, want to be a superhero.
Here's what you'll need to make your flower girls and ring boys feel special. The first thing is a pattern, and this is half of a pattern, as it says, half of an almost super cape.
You'll be folding the fabric over on this side here, so you have to make sure not to cut this side of this pattern. You will need some scissors. And next, you need a super powered glue gun. And you need a whole lot of colorful felt.
Ooh.
And lastly, of course, you need the fabric for your capes. I say we get to work.
First step, we're going to trace out that pattern.
Now you do need to also have a pen to trace things out a little bit.
The bottom of the cape is gonna be 15 inches on each side. And then the top here is just 8 inches. And then I've just left a circle there for the neck.
So you see on the top there, we kept the seam on the right. Once you open it, you have the full cape. But you have that little hole for the neck. That's not gonna fit. So what do?
Use your laser eye cutting vision.
Add a little bit of Velcro so it's nice and easy to open and close this for whoever the child is, and they can adjust the size slightly.
Since this is for our flower girl, we're gonna cut some flowers out.
I think it's time to start sticking these flowers onto the cape.
Make sure you're putting a lot of glue.
Last but not least, we need to add our Velcro. You want to have one on the back side and one on the front side, because then they'll go together. Maybe glue it first and let it dry. Otherwise, when you stick them together, they'll rip off. This is something exciting for the ring boys and flower girls. Hopefully something you enjoy too. Actually, I kind of want one of my own.
I thought you'd ask.
Oh, really? Shall we? We'd love to stay here and chat, but Linda and I have some crime to fight.
And some crafting to do.